What is up, y'all? How's it going? It is CaTypHas here. Welcome back to another Resident Evil Requiem playthrough. I know it's been a few days since we last played this game. Last time we did play this game was actually a couple days ago on Tuesday. Reason why I didn't play it yesterday, there was some very, very loud people here that would have made the stream like fucking terrible. So I decided against having them streaming tomorrow yesterday. We're back. Here to play some Resident Evil Requiem from where we left off last time. Last time we left off was in Raccoon City, trying to find the pieces to the detonator, so we can blow into the wall and get into that. So we're going to continue where we left off there, see if we can have some fun, see if we can murder some people, and overall try to have ourselves one hell of a time here. Yeah. Let's go right into the fun. Yeah! Alright, so it looks like there's a piece over there at the gas station. And it looks like there's something over at the gas station. And there's also a signal receiver and a relay over there. Cool, sweet. Yay! So much fun! I got the apartment key right here. Yep, apartment key. What the fuck? Shoot! A hand grenade! A hand grenade? Oh shit! It's locked when it's out. Of course that's fucking locked. When is it not locked? Come on. Climb, Leon. It looks like it'll break with a good shot. Oh. Thought I could just climb that, honestly. Climb every other ladder at that height. Why can't he climb that one? What's in this? Ooh, Requiem ammo. Absolute cinema. Indeed. Indeed. I have more gunpowder too, which means I could craft a... I'm gonna craft some shotgun shells, actually, and then some hanging ammo. You're good, Leon. It's fine. You're good. And of course, I got some shotgun shells as well. Thank God. Oh, stealth kills. Stealth kill, bitch! Okay, you know what? Honestly, I like it. I like it. Scrap, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will definitely Gun. Can I craft any heal thing? I can. I'm gonna craft one of those. Oh, by the way, Crimson Desert is now open, but I opened at fucking 9, so I have to wait to play. Damn. Damn. He don't know. He don't know. The zombie don't know. Watch this. The zombie don't know shit. Zombie don't know shit. Bitch! Yeah! No power. Of course there's no fucking power. There's never any power. All good things happen to those who wait. Yeah, and all good things happen to those who play Crimson Desert. Bitch! Yeah! Is it dead? Did I kill it? Yeah, it's dead. Okay, cool. Is it dead? Bitch! Bitch! Get down here, pussy! No. Ooh, what's in here? Oh! No, that works. Bitch! Bitch! Hey, buddy, nice wall. Get fucked! I don't like that at all. all. Ow, I don't like that at all. I like it now. That thing is dead as fuck. Bitch! I love this game. This game is actually fun as hell. A battery. Thank you, thank you. I got a fucking Uzi. I got a fucking Uzi. Hey, Marshall. What's up, man? Welcome in, welcome in. I got an Uzi. Dude, it's so over. It is so I don't like that at all. It's not what the homies will say when Marshall opens the stream. What do you mean by that? I love this. I love this so much. What's up, buddy? Die! I love you. Damn, okay, Leon, calm the fuck down. I fucking got deleted! Okay, guys. Trader says hi. Hey, Thomas said what's up. Also, tell him I called him a bitch. I need 2 batteries. Where's the other battery at? When the battery dies, you'll need to get a new one from the sewage facility or the underground parking garage. Get the batteries. Okay, so the other battery is over there. Alright, sweet. I got 2 Requiem ammo. I won't use the Requiem as much right now, but it's good to have. You know who I am. Huh. I have so many people at this rate with how much of my videos have been played in the back room. Honestly, there's so much I can't really like think of who you are. I'm sorry. A slot for a crank. Motherfucker! Where's the crank at? Oh. I mean, I'm really sorry. Trust me, there's like a lot of you dead. Because some people think it's a great idea to play my YouTube videos in the back room. You know who you are. Our favorite wizard has no knowledge of you, only I. The hell is this? I can't jump this. It's gonna be like a fucking mini arena. I think it is. Hey, Sharkin Hills. Ooh, piece of candy. How's my situation looking right now? It exists. The hell? No, rotate. Rotate like that. And we'll rotate you to right there. We'll put the Maximum 9. Also, I beat the game. It's still a banger. Dude, I'm loving this game right now. So, I'm so excited to like, keep playing it. Because I'm on the second half. The first half of the game was peak. And I hope the second half is like, I'm loving the second half. I'm trying not to use all of my shotgun ammo. Bitch! It's dead as hell. Yeah, it's dead as fuck. I like how no one acknowledged that. Oh, it's big as alphas. I didn't even notice that. What the fuck? Oh, what the shit? Oh, what the hell? Oh god. Especially that with Leon healed. He'll kick Victor. Dude, I haven't seen that part yet, but I'm so excited. Wait, did he mutate the bitch? Oh my god, he mutated. He mutated him. Is he coming for the ass? Bro's a bigot. Yeah, he's a bigot and he's a bitch. No, I don't want to waste my money. I am happy to throw this shit at you, bitch! He's a petite 400. Bitch! Ow, ow, ow. That's going on my tombstone. Does that kill me? That doesn't kill me at all? Okay, damn. He's a bigoted. I'm allowed that. He's a bigoted. He's a bitch. Shit, 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 shit. Ah! Requiem! Requiem! Ow! Fuck! There's so many! Why is there so many? He's not dead! Oh, try parrying him. Just die! Why did Blake lit your ass up? That works. Woo! Shit. I don't like this at all. Watch out for the blister heads warcry. They can insta kill you. I didn't even know that. Okay. There we go. Why am I zoomed in on the sniper rifle? Can I melee him? Will it be melee him? Oh, yep, he's dead as fuck. When they say it, they'll be fine. Oh, okay, alright. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for telling me that. I did not know that could happen. Rifle ammo, shotgun shells. Tracking module rare? What? Shotgun shells, thank you. And alright, we are good to go. Let me reload. Do I have any way to heal myself? Not really. Besides a little minor herb. I mean, my health ain't too rough right now. I mean... Oh, here we go. I can just do this. Combine. Restore myself to almost max. Oh, yeah, Marshall. Oh, what's up, What's up, Nathan?
Need some kind of bridge to get over there.
Some sort of bridge? Fuck. Shit. What kind of bridge? Thank you, chat. Put this for later. I need you. What the fuck? What do you mean some kind of... Oh, unless... Oh, hold up. I think I know what to do. Hold on. I think I know what to do here. So... Something to do with this, maybe? It is... That'll push that more down over there. I'm sitting 3 trillion bits. Let me talk to Elon. Buddy, Elon's not here. Suck my... What the fuck? Why is there so many of you? You... Fuck. Okay, guys. What the hell? Whoa, what the hell going on? There's so many of you in here. Not used to this. Give me that battery. Bitch. Wait, can I craft any ammo? No, I can't craft ammo. Thanks, game, so much. Can you see me outside? No, it leads me to a ladder. I'm almost finished, Marshall. Okay, guys. I gotta go continue my drinking later, bitches. Hey, man, I'll see you. The more better you do in the game, the more harder the enemies get. Oh, they had that. Oh, dude. Actually sounds cool as hell. A slot for some crank. What fucking crank game? Unless it's in this room and I'm just blind. No. Alright, cause we go over here. Go over here. Only on Sand. Oh, only on Sand. This game on New Game Plus. I've heard it. I heard it has New Game Plus. A real gooner finishes before the first minute. I heard it has a new game plus of sorts. So if it does, before I do Insanity, I do want to try to like get some of my weapons upgraded and whatnot. Because I know you can upgrade some weapons. I heard it has new game plus. I don't know if it does. It looks so good. This game is amazing. This is just the second half, by the way. You look. What the fuck is BSAA doing here? Marshall deleted Marshall's message. Fucking alpha. What the hell?
Encountered 3 infected and eliminated them.
Okay.
That's correct, sir. Did we proceed?
So the rumors were true? What rumors? The missile wasn't just about stopping the spread. Don't be ridiculous.
Affirmative. Listen up. Our objective hasn't changed. We
You're all
rendezvous
getting
with the
cracked
advanced
tomorrow?
party in the
Focus
center
on
of
the
Raccoon
street.
City, then head for Ark. Our mission is to retrieve Elpis. Move out!
What the hell? Oh shit! Oh fuck! God damn! Oh! What the fuck's killing him? Yeah!
Holy shit!
They just get hit. Oh my god. They just get hit. Yeah, they got hit alright. They fucking died. And who the fuck is that man?
I thought I had a short fuse.
Yo, he indeed. Also, when you play Insanity mode as Grace, the girl monster AI is smart and will block you from getting into safe areas. Also, beginning as Grace, if you stay in the room with the girl for too long, the monster will knock the power out and you will have. I knew about it knocking the power out, but I didn't know its AI is smart in the sense. What the fuck? I knew about the whole knocking power because it did it to me one time. It did it to me, and I was like, what the fuck? Who the hell is that? Why is Grace with him? What the fuck's going on? Leon always... Yeah, dude, that's Leon for you, man. Leon's the oral farmer, dog. Don't be dissing my man Leon. Let's see, that pistol ammo? I do. Bop! Right, I'm gonna go see if I can...
Send some footage your way, Shiny.
Let's see, I wanna try to get... Before I continue on this way, I'm gonna go back to the main area and buy... I couldn't read your message over Leon's friends, to be honest.
The database is coming up empty.
Let's see. What the hell is this? Alright, I gotta head back to the main area, I know that. Cause I need materials, man. I need my shit. No, never mind, I think I'm good. I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of tracking chips too I could sell, cause I could have like 2 tracking chips total. Hold up, pause it, show the shirt. You wanna see the shirt? Ah, fuck, hold on, I have to stand up for this. Okay, hold on. That's the shirt. Yup, that's the shirt. It's Goon o'clock, bitches. It's Goon o'clock. Yeah. That's the shirt. It's Goon o'clock, motherfuckers. Get ready. Wait. Ronnie, he'll clean it up. Okay. Okay. Hold on. You just delete the message. Buddy, the message is in the VOD. It's literally gonna show up in the video when I post it to YouTube. You can't hide. I'm ignoring you tomorrow, by the way. You fucking sniper motherfucker. Bro's getting... He's deleting his own messages. Literally deleting his own messages. Love this so much. You gotta make a long ass journey back to the fucking camp just so I can A, save my progress, and B, get some actual upgrades. He's his biggest hater. Marty Alpha, stop it before I get angry. Save. That's it, banning everyone, even myself. Yeah, give my tracking module shit. Yeah! Yeah! 19,000 credits. Alright, cool. So, I'm definitely buying body armor. That's a must. No, I'm still waiting on Elon. Compare weapons. It's a lot stronger than my shotgun by far. It's actually real. Also, a hint, if you want a better chance of stunning enemies, aim for the leg. It helped me out a lot. Ooh. Okay. Thanks for telling me that, actually. Thanks for telling me that. Mods with excellent grouping is ideal for precise shooting. A dot sight can be attached. Okay, well then, if we're doing that, I mean, I could sell this shotgun. And then I can buy the, It's a lot powerful, too. It has more ammo as well. This looks like it has better stats in general. So I'm gonna buy the shotgun. And then I like this SMG, but I feel like the Gal is just a little bit better. I'm so close, chat. Okay, what the fuck? Let's see. Silencer 9. Is there any upgrades for that? There's really nothing. I might get this game at Walmart, so let's pay $70 plus tax. I think get it for 60 since they have the PS code, I think. Maybe. You'll just have to see how it plays out, of course. Let me see. I should probably buy ammo. Shotgun shells, machine gun ammo, and rifle ammo. Case upgrade. Upgrade the size of your attached case to 8. Oh! It's my inventory. Turn on your whisper, Ronnie. What are you trying to tell him, huh? What you trying to tell him? What? God damn, that's a lot of episodes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, did we just get a 100 bits of... What the fuck is that? That what I think it is? Thank you, Big Nathan 0432 for the 100 bits. What the 100? March off! You can't say that. Yeah, boys. All right, everyone, can we get a W in chat for Big Nathan 0432? You're right, I take it back. More like 100 kisses. I got more coming. Whoa, what do you mean you got more coming here, buddy? Hold up. You don't have to do that. I'm coming. I'm bussing. I'm giving Nathan my 2 bits tomorrow. Can I watch? Whoa, 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 whoa. Is that 400 more bits? W's in chat for Big Nathan, everybody. Hey, everybody, got anything on your body for me? Ooh, a metal detector, thank you. Goodbye. How the fuck I get in here? Probably over where this ladder is. Anything in here for me? No, you can't scare yourself. So I shot the ladder down, didn't I? I did already shoot the ladder down. Look, it's not that bad. Let's climb faster. That's an item. Ooh, what's in here? Another hand grenade. Wow. Gonna bid on your shit. What the fuck? Why did that drop? Why did that drop down? I wasn't supposed to do that. Gonna bid on your shit. What? Huh? Alright, bring me down. Let's go. It's gas station time. Biatch. Oh, he doesn't know. He don't know. Oh shit, he know. He know. Ah! Bitch. Yeah! Bitch! Low-key beat a little. You think that's bad? I literally got. I don't know if I showed you a clip or not. There's literally a clip of me getting scared by the big monster in the face. Like, ah, you bastard! It's dead. I killed it. Here, reaching the awesome fight of the game. Oh. Awesome fight? What? Mommy, if you're reading this, please go back to the hotel. There are lots of creepy people around. There might change notice. There are fires. Mommy, it's really scary. It's okay. I met Daddy's friend, Mr. George. Remember him? He's going to evacuate me to the police station in his police car. I'm sure Daddy will be there. Love you, Mommy. Ew. That's just depressing. I'm depressed now. What the fuck? Mommy. Okay. Okay, Nathan. Alright, I know there's some items over here. I need fuel that. Oh, fuel's right here. Fuel kid. Oh, it's empty. Craft that to combine that. Thank you. And then also craft a stack hand grenade. Rifle ammo? Hell yes. Thank you, thank you. Right, go fill this up. Yes, we gotta go take gas. Oh, what the fuck? Here we go. What the
Let me guess.
Bitch! Okay, Leon. It's dead. Give it a chainsaw!
Mine for two.
Yeah! Let's go, bitches. Oh, what the? Ah! Goodbye. Goodbye. Don't mind if I do. What's up, dude? There's another chainsaw. There's not. I thought there was. Chainsaw fight. Chainsaw and a shotgun. Bitch. Bitch. Let's go, motherfucker. Yeah. Oh my god, I love this. Chainsaw that coming. Okay. Fuck. Oh my god. Still one more. Hold on. Hold on. Chainsaw! Is there any more? Chainsaw fight! Yeah! Oh my. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Hold on. Give me a second. Hold up. Buddy, I don't think you control that chainsaw. Ah! You rat bitch! Let me kill the chainsaw, bro. I don't know! Hey, motherfucker! Harbor Freight. Yeah, you're dead. Gotta be a close out sale. Yeah, it's probably a closeout sale. Honestly, makes sense. Honestly, a fucking amazing fight. Holy hell. Alright, now where the hell I get fuel at? Oh, it's probably in that room over there. Or over there, actually, where the fucking fuel tank is. Thank you, thank you. Damn, you did better than me my first round of doing that. I played a lot of Resident Evil 2 and stuff, so I'm used to the Leon combat. Gas. Okay, we'll fuel. Let's go. He's a pro gamer. Yeah, totally. Totally a pro gamer. W fuel again. That was sick as hell. Oh, what's my health looking on as Leon right now? My health is... It's decent. I can manage with that right now. Turn that on. We should open up this door now. Alright, perfect. Fuel can back, baby! No, I'm here. No, I'm here. Oh, my axe is... Hold on, give it a second. Hold on, I forgot to sharpen it. It's sharpened! Come on, don't look. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Yes, we're done! Shotgun shells. Oh, yes. Locked room inside. Of course it's fucking locked. Everything is locked. Get that though, because I can actually combine that to get myself a full heal now. I hope someone clipped the shirt reveal. I don't think anyone clipped the shirt reveal, but Nathan, I think anyone did. What's up here? What the fuck, Leon? No! Jump back up there! I'll clip it if you reveal what's under. I'm not revealing what's under my shirt. Who is better than Jill, Valentine, Claire, Redfield? Okay. I like Claire. Claire was I like Claire. She was pretty cool. Same with Jill. Jill's pretty badass, especially in Resident Evil 3. And I like her whole like segment in like Resident Evil 5 whenever she's oh, what the fuck? But if I had to choose one, that is streaming at iPhone. Wasn't here Satan, love you so sweet. Oh, you stupid fuck. Alright. Hey buddy, I got a little treat for you. Explosive barrel! If I had to choose one though, honestly, I like Claire a lot more. I wish Claire got more games, like I wish her and ooh, a new sniper rifle. I wish her and register that right there. I wish her and Jill both got more games. But Leon just ducks dude so much aura. Yeah, I like Claire a lot more though. Especially in Code Veronica too. Claire in Code Veronica was so fucking cool. I can actually craft shotgun shells now, thank God. Here and let me get the fucking up with the trunk. Hanging bullets. And I think that's it. So I got a sniper rifle now. A better one than what I had. My ultimate question now is where do I go? I went over there to grab more fuel than I did. You know, anyone want to take some of my attendance points? Nate, I don't think anyone wants to take your attendance points. Be dead honestly, I don't think anyone wants to take them. I think you're on your own there, buddy. What's in here? Ooh, a box. Wow, another 5. I'll even take this D. What the fuck? What the fuck, Richard? Bitch. To be fair, Claire is underrated. Claire is very underrated. I mean, I understand why people like Jill a lot more, but I've always just been a big, like, Claire fan, because Claire's just so cool. But nothing, honestly, I'm gonna say it, my favorite character out of all the games, nothing could beat my GOAT, the man himself, Ethan Winters. Oh, what the fuck? I loved Resident Evil 7 and 8, and Ethan Winters in those games were like so cool. He's literally just a man trying to save his life, dog. What the fuck? That's why I love him so much. He's such a cool character. I'll try to take stopping by though, man. There's no power. Oh yeah, it's the fucking fuel can. Open the gate up. This also gives me my shortcut back to the camp. Which, thank God, I need that. I'll be in the next day. I don't work 100% though. I don't work 100% though for long. All right. Yeah, I agree. Capcom did Ethan dirty so much, dude. My man deserves more. He was such a cool character. Why did he have to die? Thank you, thank you. Body armor repair, yes. I won't buy tier 2 armor just yet. I'm going to sell my other sniper rifle. Ooh, actually, wait a second. Just based on stats. Honestly, the classic. I like the classic a lot. I might do that. I like the classic. Classic's cool. So I'm gonna actually upgrade some of my weapons now. I'm gonna upgrade the stability on this thing. I'm going to upgrade the spring for the reload speed. I'm going to unequip the scope because I don't really use the scope all too much now. Increase the power. There's still a theory that Ethan is still alive, but only his daughter Rosemary. Honestly, I can see it. I can see it. I hope he's still alive, because he's such a cool character. He didn't deserve that, man. At all. Yeah, maybe that. Thank you. And then also want to upgrade my silencer 9 to increase his power. And then definitely, yeah. And then aluminum trigger. Alright, cool. And then can I buy anything else? No, I can't. Cool, cool, cool. So let me now equip my classic again. Register shortcut to right there. I don't have a scope on it this time, which makes it easier to use, thank God. Oh, I fucking first person aimed this? Dude! First person aimed this? Alright, and it looks like now it is time for me to continue on forward. So, it looks like I need to get the next relay up there. In order for that, I need to power up the door. I already powered up the door, which means now it's just a matter of heading over there. I will take all those. Thank you, thank you. Drop down, and now we'll head over there. We'll go get our next detonator part, and then should be doing good. I won't worry about fighting that thing just yet. Bitch! Look, I'm living in first person. I wonder why. I wonder why you feel that way, buddy. Door's blocked. Of course the door's blocked. Unless it's not. Looks like I still need the crank for that. Let's go, pussy. Get up. Get up, bitch. 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 It's not dead. It's not dead. It's not dead. What's your first style agent, pussy? Hot. Hot. That's... Oh, what the fuck? Okay, buddy. Ow. Ask Marsh Alpha, he knows. What the fuck? Drop down here, pussies. Frag grenade! Bitch! Yeah, that's Marsh Alpha. He knows exactly how I felt when I saw Lady Dimitrescu. We don't talk about what I say on my stream sometimes. I think Marsh Alpha's asleep right now, so I don't think he's here, but if he doesn't, he'd agree. With that crank, I can now head upstairs and continue my journey. Onward! That works. Alright, go over here, throw the crank on this. Should get that door open at least. And we are good. Now we're gonna head back upstairs. Climb up the ladder. I'm gonna go grab this relay, and then I think I will call it for here. You wanna know something crazy? Alright, tell me something crazy about Ethan. I'd love to know a lot about Ethan, so you go ahead. It's like, hit me with it. What's over here? There's a Mr. There's a Mr. Raccoon somewhere. I hear it. Alright, it's dead as fuck. Tracking module. Can I craft shotgun shells yet? I can't, thank God. I need to start saving my shotgun shells, because I've been using my shotgun so much. I got that. Red Time's doing alright. Might use my sniper rifle more. Be like my main, like, backup weapon of sorts. Alright. Ethan run Miranda created the daughter Rosemary because she made a mold to Miranda makes Sky herself from the inside. Like Ethan bagged the Betty like Mother Miranda. That lucky bitch! Are they shooting mortars at me? Are they shooting fucking mortars at me? What? Get off that thing! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Ow! Ow! Oh shit! Ah! Ow! What the fuck? I'm up here. Bitch! Bam! Ow! Fuck! Thank God we killed them all. Jesus Christ. Alright, and that is our other piece to the detonator. Broken signal receiver. Come on. There we go. one more piece, which will actually be tomorrow's video. Can I blow up this truth mortar? Hold on. Hey, buddy. Good night. All right, cool. All right. Well, let's go ahead, head on downstairs, head on to the main area, save my progress, get any upgrades we need. I hope. Don't worry, tomorrow we will do an actual, like, full-on stream. I'm hoping to God, because I actually won't fall asleep when I get home. I hope there's oil tomorrow. I'm gonna show you oil at work, buddy. You keep talking like that, I'm gonna show you oil, okay? It's me, Teddy. It's me, Teddy. It's me, Teddy. It's me, Teddy. It's mutating. It's mutated. It mutated. I don't like that. Shit, shit, shit. Bitch! Shit, shit, reload. Leon, reload faster! Reload faster! Go, 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 go!
Okay, one component left. By the way, I found some
what?
evidence of the Pentagon putting pressure on the BSAA. It appears the North American branch has been moving independently.
Independently?
Had an internal dispute. Think it's related?
That's all I've got. There's been an increase in government surveillance.
I think you're getting fucked by the zombies
Looks like
now.
my
Wait
fan
till
base is
tomorrow.
growing.
Tomorrow's gonna suck.
Some things never change.
Because
Watch your back.
I now got the next part of the receiver. Which I think the next part's the rooftops. And from what I saw about the rooftops, it's very annoying for how many like mines and shit there are. So tomorrow's either gonna go very good or very, very ass. We'll just have to see. Use the key right here. Is that a fucking bike? Is that a fucking bike? Repair kit. A kit with tools for equipment repair. By the way, we'll find you out.
Beautiful. Just need to get through that gate.
Will you find out? What do you mean I'll find out? Oh no. Oh god. Rare. Alright, 21,000 credits. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna upgrade the shotgun. I'm gonna upgrade its power. Then I'm definitely gonna upgrade its precision. Definitely. The gall too. The gall's pretty good. Increases firepower. No. Upgrade that. Silencer 9. Yeah, silencer 9. I'm definitely going to. Let's see. I'm gonna put on this. And then definitely put on that. And then that should be all for now I can do. Anything I want to sell in my inventory right now that I'm not going to use?
I'm making spaghetti if you want some.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's definitely nothing in my inventory I want to sell right now. Everything looks good. And yeah. Okay, so it is getting kind of late. Of course, I do have work in the morning. So I'm going to call it here for the night. Made pretty decent progress. Got the fucking epic ass chainsaw fight. So we will continue where we left off tomorrow, 9 o'clock as always. And then tomorrow for normal stream, I don't know what I'll do. I'm debating between doing either Dead by Daylight similar, Siege, or maybe, I don't know. We'll just have to figure it out. We'll play it by ear, see how I feel. Yeah, thank you all of y'all for stopping by. Thanks to Big Nathan0432 for, you know, the $5 worth of bits. Shout out to him. Everyone give you a round of applause. I do hope you all have a great night. If you're watching on YouTube, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to let me know some more, as is. I'm so thankful for y'all for stopping by, of course. I hope to see y'all again tomorrow. And genuinely, just hope y'all have a great time. I'm going to call it here. This is CaTypHas signing off. Peace, guys.